EMA frame 15 minutes or higher, scalping system works best all time frame. Currency pair any. This scalping system use a combination of two indicators RSX and RP indicator, alias RSI timing, Votro indicator. How to use RSX scalping system. RSX system is very simple to use. To take position, Votro indicator gives buy signal, signal at the bottom, and sell signal, signal at the top. RSX gives a confirmation of signal given by Votro indicator. Buy in return of line 20 and sell in return to line 80. Take position equals signal of Votro plus confirmation signal of risks. How to buy using RSX scalping system. Choose a frame time for your trade. When Votro indicator gives a buy signal, you wait for a confirmation signal of RSX indicator. You buy when RSX returns to line 20. How to sell using RSX scalping system. Choose a frame time for your trade. When Votro indicator gives a sell signal, you wait for a confirmation signal of RSX indicator. You sell when RSX returns to line 80. How to define profit targets using RSX scalping system. When you buy, 1. First profit target, when RSX reacts line 42. Second profit target, when RSX reacts line 63. Third profit target, when RSX reacts line 84. Last target, after line 80 in the appearance of Votro signal. When you sell, 1. First profit target, when RSX reacts line 62. Second profit target, when RSX reacts line 43. Third profit target, when RSX reacts line 24. Last target, after line 20 in the appearance of Votro signal. How to find stop loss using RSX system. When you sell, you place your stop loss on the candle corresponding to higher value of risks. When you buy, you place your stop loss on the candle corresponding to lower value of RSX. Bollinger Bands with RSX is a reversal trading system adopted also at the trading with binary options high/low. Time frame 5 minutes or higher, markets, forex and indices. For trading with binary options, expiry time 6 candles. MetaTrader indicators Bollinger Bands, 22, ELR color modified version, RSX 14 periods. Buy call or long entry when the price broken and close the below lower band of the Bollinger Bands. Wait that RSX has blue bar and ELR color retraces into the bands and has yellow bar. If these conditions are agree, buy call at the opening of the next bar. Buy put or short entry when the price broken and close the above upper band of the Bollinger Bands. Wait that RSX has red bar and ELR color retraces into the bands and has yellow bar. If these conditions are agree, buy put at the opening of the next bar. Money management with binary options is martingale ratio 2.5:1. Examples: $5 12,530, 75. For trading with this system without binary options, you have the same conditions for buy and sell. For exit positions, you have these options: place initial stop loss on the previous swing. Make profit at the middle band. Profit target predetermined with ratio 1:2 stop loss. This strategy has a profitability more higher with trading without binary options. The RSX indicator detects market dynamics and price peculiarities by transforming accumulated market history data. This improved version of the RSI eliminates market noise to prevent fake market signals, hence more accurate signals. The best part is that the indicator can be smoothed without lagging. The indicator window forms below the market chart and features overbought and oversold areas. It also consists of a moving average line that depicts the market movement, which changes color from lime green to pale violet. RSX also features a broad line column on the zero level that changes color to red, green, and yellow. The yellow color signifies market decision. You can use the indicator for day trading, scalping, and swing trading. How do you use an RSX indicator? The indicator values start from 0 to 100. When the indicator line falls below 20 level, it is an oversold area, while above 80 represents an overbought area. Buy signal: the buy signal occurs when the indicator MA line turns green and moves upwards. The central line changes color to green. Also, if the price is in an oversold area, it is a telltale sign that it is ripe for trend reversal, and you get ready to open a long position. Sell signal: the MA line moves in a downtrend and changes color to pale violet red. The indicator also changes to red color. If the price is in an oversold area, it is a telltale sign of an impending trend reversal. Exit strategy: exit if the indicator changes to red when the uptrend is running or when the indicator changes to green during a bearish market. Can you install custom indicators in MT4? RSX is not among the default indicators on MT4, but you can download it for free on our site. After download, copy the indicator file into the MQL4 indicator folder of the MT4 trading platform. The indicator's weight is shown above in the Great Britain pound against the Australian dollar. The center indicator line posts a green color indicating a buy signal. The moving average also changes color to lime green and matches the uptrend direction of the market. Similarly, the indicator posts a red color on the indicator line, signaling an ideal time to enter a short position. Notice how the moving average changes color to a pale violet and mimics the market in a downtrend. This is an ideal sell signal. Conclusion: the RSX indicator provides traders with ideal trade entry points. This means that you can identify ideal places to enter and exit trades. The trade comes with a moving average